Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Haylou GT5. We saw the GT3 before, now it's time for the GT5 earbuds. We will try these out with Android and iOS and we will see and talk about the sound that they have. If they are worth to buy or not, we will see that in the end of this video. In the Haylou GT5 we have ultra game low latency, advanced auto coding, dual master earbuds, smart wear and detection, 24-hour long battery life, new generation of the Bluetooth 5.0, smart touch control and wireless charging as well. This is the box of the GT5, as you can see, with two boxes. Here we have the case for the charging to charge the earbuds, and underneath all this protection we will find more earpieces to change it. Like usual, we have a small cable to charge the case, again very protected, and we have the user manual that will show us how to work with the options. Here we have the cable. As you can see, it says Type-C, very good, from the Haylou GT5, and is small but it does the job. You can see we have here the earpieces, one more pair in case you lose, and we have small, medium and large like always. These are all the things that we have in the box. Let's get back to the case. Again, very protected. Pop up the cap, which is magnetic. As we mentioned before, we have wireless charging, we have gaming mode and a few other things. Let's go ahead and try them on. They are fitting perfectly. Very good product and very good quality until now. To connect with iOS, you have to go to the settings, Bluetooth, all the way down where we can find the new devices. In this case, we are searching for the Haylou GT5. So at the other device, as you can see, that is loading, is searching for the new devices, and let's wait and see if it will connect and find the GT5. Now we have the Haylou GT5. It took a little bit longer than usual, and now it's connected. Very fast way and easy way to connect the GT5. Let's go straight to the YouTube and start the music and talk about how it will sound. We have a very clear sound coming from the GT5 and a really good bass like we had in the GT3, but probably much better. And I prefer the GT5 because they are earbuds, they go in your ear and they doesn't stick out, which is always my favorite part. The sound is really great, and the GT5 we have, as we mentioned in the beginning, the noise cancelling, we have the auto wear detection and other things. So if you put one of the earbuds off the ear, it will pause itself, press twice to play the next song, and we have only these options. But again, it's very simple. Just pull out one of the earbuds, it will pause itself. Again, the same option is in the left earbud. And we have with one touch as well, also press twice to play the previous song. This is all that we have. Also, we have the voice control with the left side, or the Siri, however you want to call it. And these are the options that we have in the iOS. Let's go ahead and try the Android, see how it will work with. We have here at the Bluetooth pair new device, and immediately it found the Haylou GT5. Press it, press pair, and that's it that it takes to connect the Haylou GT5. Again, straight to the YouTube, we don't have to do anything else. Play the music. And again, the GT5 has more sound in Android. And the same options works here like it does in the iOS. Pull out one of the earbuds, it will pause twice to change the song, and same with the left earbud. We don't have anything else to test here other than these. I hope guys you find this video interesting and helpful. I recommend you, if you're looking for earbuds, to look at the Haylou GT3 and GT5, and I recommend these earbuds for someone that is looking to buy one. So this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.